Ears up, eyes open, and fists clenched. Y'all know this is how we do this. We going through a lot of shit and survived a lot of hits, so cats really wanna know what's happening. No further ado, you about to hear straight from the cover Panthers.
God takes your soul.
I was surrounded by more rats than the Orchid Man on a good day. Simultaneously, the snakes that smiled in my face while putting me in work with the pigs and just to put me away. Like Hollywood actors, I've been infiltrated by counterfeit cats claiming to have love for the Panthers. When we provided a script in order that the cub be behind the cage or placed in the grave. Nah, for those liberalists who don't want to believe what they read or hear, let me be clear what I have to say. I've been subjected to more backstabbers than the OJs would even proclaim. I've been financially fucked over that at times I'm unable to tell if I'm in debt or simply dead. And I've been lied on so many times I couldn't even believe what I read. While others have profited of my and my daddy's pain, a bunch of parasites and pussycats who only claim my names and fist their financial gain. Minister UEP News said that his mama said that a preacher said that a certain amount of suffering is good for the soul. You see, my birth certificate was almost my death certificate. To be or not to be. I was born in the storm, baptized in blood and raised in the war zone. Now at the point that the system finds its success in listening to me in the book of the dead, I request not to be co-opted nor the usual suspects be allowed to name drop. And keep my quotes in context and let the record reflect. And if I said that I meant it, I meant what I said.
Right into this world.
If and when they get me, I reveal nothing more than name, rank, and serial number upon capture.
God takes your soul.
Title, the chairman, first name Fred, last name Hampton. Junior, that is.
Right into this world.
We ride. Either the gas on E, shit, the wheels fall off.
God takes your
Shit.
soul.
Either still gonna hit the concrete.
On your own.
Who we be? We be the great grandchildren of God, with the offspring of Malcolm and the cubs of Panthers. We ride.
Right into this world. All alone.